Teddy is officially 9 weeks old. So far, he's learned how to climb both up and down stairs. He is learning how to sit and lay down on command. He's learning how to go for walks on a leash. Oh, what? He likes barking at his humans. He likes playing. He likes chewing a lot. So we're really trying to get him to only chew on his toys and not on our fingers and toes and hair and shoes, because those are the things that he likes to chew on. He's doing a very good job about sleeping through the night. He will still wake up every couple of hours, but it's only maybe 2 or 3 times at most a night, which is a huge improvement. He's had a couple of days where he hasn't had any accidents inside of the house, so that's been really nice. We're really trying to keep mindful of his tiny bladder size, so anytime he wakes up from a nap or from sleeping, we take him out right away. He does still occasionally have an accident, but for the most part, he's improving. Him and Lovey are getting along pretty well. He wants to try and play with her, but she really doesn't want anything to do with him. So if he gets too close, she'll kind of just smack him in the head with her paw. She doesn't use her claws or anything, but she does just let him know, hey, back off. He is growing a lot. He just looks so much bigger compared to when we first got him. His tail looks longer. He's got these big feet, his big paws. He's definitely a chunkster. One of his nicknames is Chunky. I also call him Pup-Pup, Puppuccino. He's getting better about answering to his own name too. So beforehand, he wasn't really answering to Teddy, but now he's doing that more and more, so that's good. We're really trying to focus on introducing him to new things, so new people, new smells, new sounds. He's done very well meeting new people. He's very friendly. He likes meeting new people, new smells. He seems to be enjoying loud noises. He's usually kind of hesitant at first, but as long as we're calm, then he seems to be okay. He's already experienced some fireworks, vacuum noises. Mitch likes to lift weights downstairs in our weight room. So all those loud noises, he's slowly starting to get used to. He got to go to the park for the first time. Oh, buddy. Oh. There are a lot of dogs in our neighborhood, but Teddy is not completely vaccinated yet, so we're waiting for him to be both a little bit older and for him to have all of his proper vaccines before he can start playing with other puppies. So we're really still kind of working on making sure that he's getting potty trained, learning new tricks and commands, and the biggest thing is to not bite things that he should not be chewing on.